Welcome to the epitome of contemporary chic. Unleash the future of home design with our latest YouTube video, Modern Living Room Design Ideas. Explore a curated collection of cutting-edge concepts that redefine the heart of your home. From sleek furniture arrangements and minimalist color palettes to smart technology integration, this video is your key to transforming your living room into a space that effortlessly marries style with functionality. Join us on this visual journey as we dive into the world of open concept layout, statement lighting, and artistic decor that define modern living. Hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications to stay on the pulse of the latest in home design. Let's embark on this modern living room adventure together, because your space deserves to be a reflection of contemporary elegance.
Discover the art of living room perfection with these design ideas that effortlessly blend style and comfort. Statement furniture. Make a bold statement with the signature piece of furniture, whether it's a unique sofa, an elegant coffee table, or an eye-catching accent chair. Neutral palette with pops of color. Embrace a neutral base and infuse vitality with pops of color through cushions, throws, and artwork for a balanced and inviting atmosphere. Cozy fireplace nook. Create a cozy focal point with the fireplace nook, adorned with comfortable seating and warm textures for intimate gatherings. Open shelving displays. Showcase your personality with open shelving that displays curated collection, books, and decor pieces, adding character to the room. Floor-to-ceiling windows. Maximize natural light and create an airy ambience with floor-to-ceiling windows that connect your living space to the outdoors. Mix of textures. Layer various textures like plush rugs, soft throws, and smooth surfaces to add depth and tactile appeal to the room. Gallery wall. Personalize your space with a gallery wall featuring an eclectic mix of artwork, photographs, and wall decor that tells your unique story. Multifunctional furniture. Optimize space with multifunctional furniture like storage ottomans, nesting tables, or convertible sofas for versatility and practicality. Nature-inspired elements. Infuse a touch of nature with indoor plants, wooden accents, and earthy tones for a calming and organic living room vibe. Bold area rug. Anchor the room with a bold and stylish area rug that ties together the color scheme and defines different functional areas within the space. Accent wall. Elevate your design with an accent wall, whether it's textures, wallpaper, a vibrant paint color, or a captivating mural that steals the spotlight. Symmetrical arrangement. Achieve a classic and harmonious look with symmetrical furniture arrangement, creating a sense of balance and order in the room. Entertainment center focal point. Design your living room around an entertainment center with the sleek TV unit or a stylish media console as the center focus. These living room design ideas offer a spectrum of possibilities to cater to different styles and preferences. Whether you lean towards modern minimalist, cozy traditionalism, or eclectic chic, let these ideas inspire your journey to the perfect living room ambience. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, please subscribe my channel. For more videos, please visit my channel.